There is fierce backlash from Democrats today after that federal appeals court determined that, yes, the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, commonly known as DACA, it violates U.S. immigration laws. The Obama-era program has actually prevented the deportation of around 600,000 migrants brought here to the U.S. when they were children.
For more on this, let's bring in our congressional correspondent, Kilmeny Duchardt. She joins us live now from Capitol Hill. Hey, Kilmeny.
John and Bianca, good to be with you. The White House issuing a statement on behalf of President Biden, calling the court's decision unlawful. And while temporary protections will remain in place for those already here, the future of the program is less certain. The President Biden saying today's decision is a result of continued efforts by Republican state officials to strip DACA recipients of the protections and work authorization that many have now held for over a decade. My administration is committed to defending Dreamers against attacks from Republican officials in Texas and other states. The challenge to DACA is just another example of the extreme agenda being pushed by Maga Republican officials. Well, the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals concluded that the former president did not have the authority to create the program in 2012, sending it back to the lower courts to review an August revision by the Biden administration. That ruling, though, does not mean that the Biden administration has to shut the program down. It will, however, allow it to renew existing applications, but they will not be able to process applications for first-time DACA recipients. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi also weighing in this statement, saying House Democrats have twice passed the Dream and Promise Act to finally offer Dreamers a permanent pathway to citizenship while fixing our broken immigration system through comprehensive reform. Shamefully, extreme MAGA Republicans in the Senate have blocked this bill, playing political games with families and while embracing an extreme agenda of anti-immigrant cruelty. Senate Republicans must join us to immediately pass this urgent, necessary House-passed legislation and send it straight to President Biden's desk. The Justice Department has disagreed with this ruling. What happens now? The Biden administration will likely file a formal appeal, which would ultimately send it to the Supreme Court for the 6-3 conservative majority justices to decide potentially next year.